Hello friends, I am back with new example sums for the examination year 2024. Okay, this is my first sum. This is about linear inequation. Okay, now this question says 3 minus 2x is greater than or equal to x minus 12, where x belongs to natural numbers. How will we do this? Very easy. Okay, so 3 minus 2x is greater than x minus 12. So I'll take 12 to the other side. It will become plus 12. Because this is minus, it will be plus 12. Then x plus 2x. Okay. So now when I solve this, 3 plus 12 is 15. Okay. 15 is greater than or equal to 3x. So what I'll do, 15 divided by 3 is x. What I did, this was 3x, I took 3 this side, it became division. Now 15 by 3 is 5. So 5 is greater than or equal to x, or I can say x is less than. What I did, this was greater sign, I made it less sign. X is less than or equal to 5. Now x belongs to natural number. So what is the answer? The solution set is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, my next sum is y square minus 20y plus 100. It's a perfect square trinomial. I have to factorize this. How will I do it? Perfect square trinomial. So, if you remember the formula a minus b, the whole square equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Correct? So, when I say minus 2ab, then this is a square as y square. Correct? Then 100 is 10 into 10. Okay, 10 into 10. So b is 10. So y minus 10. Y minus 10 the whole square. Let me do and see this. So y square plus 100, then minus 2ab. So that is 2 into 10 is 20 into y. So minus 20y. This is what I have it, right, for the question. So what I did, the question was I have to factorize this. How did I factorize? By seeing this, I got to know about I remembered the formula a minus b the whole square, which means a square plus b square minus 2ab. Because 10 into 10 is 100, y into y is y square. Now 10 into y into 2 will give me 20y. That's why I took this formula and factorized it. This is my answer, factorization. Okay friends, my next question is diagonal equals to 20 meters of a square. So what is the area, length and perimeter of the square? What is the formula for diagonal of a square? The formula for diagonal of a square is diagonal equals to I'm very sorry, it is a square root 2. What is a? A is the side of the square. So diagonal of a square equals to a square root 2. Please remember all the formulas in geometry, otherwise it will be difficult to solve the sums. Okay, so now I'll write diagonal is 20 meters. Okay, so diagonal equals to a square root 2. As I had told in my earlier videos, square root of 2, please remember it. Okay, many a times we need to use that. So square root of 2 is nothing but 1.414. What is square root of 2? 1.414. I have to use that here. So what I'll do 20 by square root 2 equals to a. Now that will be 20 divided by 1.414. 20 divided by 1.414. When I divide this, I get 14.1. What I get? 14.1. So this is my side. Okay, my side equals to this. I can do another method also. If you want me to teach, I can teach you that method. One more method to solve this is Pythagoras theorem. You people might remember the Pythagoras theorem. It is used every year in mathematics. Okay, this is my square, this is the diagonal. Okay, because this is a right angle, square has all right angles, correct? because this is a right angle, the Pythagoras theorem will say diagonal square, that is this square, is equal to sum of the side squares, is equal to the sum of the side squares. This is a Pythagoras theorem, you have to remember this. The square of this is equal to the sum of these two squares, okay? Always when this is a right angle, okay? Now when I use this formula, I write 20 square equals to 2a square. What will I write? 2a square, correct? So what is 20 square? 20 square, what it will be? 2 2s are, can you please help me? What is 20 square? 20 square is 400. 400. Now what I am doing is, this 2 I am taking on this side. So it will be 400 divided by 2 equals to a square. So when I do this, I will get 200. 200 equals to a square. Correct? Okay. Fine. Now I have to still find out the side. I have got a square equals to 200. What is a square? Let's come to area. What's the formula for area of a square? Area of a square is a into a, correct? Side into side. So that is a square, correct? So nothing but area. 200 is the area of the square. What all I got now? If I am using this second method, I first got the area. So area is 200 square meters, okay? It is 200 square meter. Next, what I have to find out? To find out the length. How will I find out the length? To find out the length, I will do a square equals to 200. So a equals to square root of 200. What will I do? Square root of 200. Now again, square root of 2 is 1.414. So square root of 200 will be 14.14. 14.14. Okay, you have to remember this to solve this quickly. Okay, otherwise you can use the method of square root. I have taught how to find out the square root in my last video. Okay. Next, what is left? Perimeter. What is the formula for a perimeter? Perimeter is 4a. What is perimeter of a square? Perimeter of a square is 4a. So 4 into 14.14 will give me 4a. So 4 into 14.14 is 56.56. The perimeter is 56.56 meters. Please remember to write the units. If you don't write the units, it's wrong. Okay, meter square. Now length equals to 14.14 meters, and that is 56.56. Okay. My next sum is x plus 2 by 4 minus x minus 3 by 3 equals to half. Okay, because this is a subtraction question, I will do the LCM. When I do LCM, my LCM is 12. 4 and 3 LCM is 12. So this I have to multiply with 3, correct? Because 4 3s are 12. So it is 3x plus 6 minus, this I have to multiply with 4 because 3 4s are 12. So it will be minus 4x, minus into minus plus 3 4s are 12. Okay, by 12 equals to half. Then what I have to do, I can take this half to the mother side, 12 to the mother side. Okay, it will become multiplication. So it will be 3x minus 4x is how much? Minus x plus 18 equals to 12. If I take this side, it will be 12 by 2. 12 by 2, which is nothing but 6. Okay, so minus x equals to 6 minus 18. 6 minus 18. 6 I took the 18 I took to the other side. So it will be minus x equals to minus 12. Because both are the negative numbers, I can remove them and write x equals to 12. So what is x? X is 12. X plus 4xy plus 4y square minus 9z square. Now how will I do this? This is a polynomial question. This is a square, this is a square, and this is also a square. What should I do? So first I have taken the 3 numbers, first 3 terms, that is trinomial. Now this trinomial, if I see, this is x squared, so I'll take it as x. This is 4y squared, so I'll take it as 2 into 2. 2 y to y, y squared. So plus 2y. If I do this whole square, what will I get? A plus b the whole square, what it is? A plus b the whole square, what it is? It is a square. So this is a and this is b for me. So a square is x square plus b square. So that is 4y square. Then 2ab. 2a plus 2ab. That is 2 into 2 is 4. 4xy. So 4xy. Correct? So my this term is done if I use this. Okay? So by using this, I got x plus 2y the whole square. I get the first three terms. Perfect trinomial. Minus 9z square. Minus 9z square. So it's actually a plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square. Correct? So now this is a square, this is b square. What I have done, first I solved this, I got this. Then I have to solve this. Okay? So for this I have taken the formula a plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square. This becomes my a square, this becomes my b square. So it will be a plus b is x plus 2y plus b plus 3z. Why I took 3z? 3 3s are 9. Z into z, z square. So it is plus 3z. Okay, then again a minus b. What is a? X plus 2y. Then minus b. What is my b? My b is 3z. Minus 3z. This is my final answer. Okay. If I solve this, I will get this. Okay. How I did, if you want, I can explain again. These three terms I solved. I took a plus b the whole square formula. I got this. Now, then this became my a and this became my b. Now, this is a square minus b square. How I get this? A plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square. So, I got this a plus b, a minus b. Okay, easy factorization. Thank you.